Click on search bar and type here task manager. After that, click here to open it. Select run as administrator. Now it will open a new window. Then select file, click on run new task, and from here click on browse button. Then go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now open this folder, scroll down, select this file cmd.exe and click on open. Then check this box and click on OK. To avoid mistakes, we already have list of commands to make it easy for you. For that, open Google Chrome web browser, then type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. Now click on this link, which is from www.hows.tech. Now just scroll down and then copy command number 12. Simply select this, right click on it and select copy. Now right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter. After that, copy command number 13. Now type exit to close the command prompt window. Simply type exit and hit enter. Go to search bar and type here Google Chrome and click here to open it. Then these are the extensions. Now click on the three dots, go to settings, just scroll down and click on extensions. We can disable unwanted extension from here, so just turn off unwanted extensions. Now open new tab, go to these three dots and again open settings, go to advanced settings, click on system. Now we need to turn off this option and click on relaunch. Now close this window, again go to search bar and type %local app data %. Now go to Google folder and Chrome folder and then use data folder. Now we need to change the default folder name as to default 1. If the problem is not solved, simply uninstall Google Chrome and reinstall it. Now we need to execute some commands to boost up Google Chrome speed. Now go to search bar and type cmd, run it as administrator, select as. Now type these commands carefully to avoid mistakes. You will get all these commands in the description below. Copy it from and paste it here. You must restart the computer in order to complete the process. So finally restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.